Hi, this is Adriana, and this video is about the 5 things that happen to your brain when you dance. And actually, this is the summary. I already explained each one of them in my previous videos. So the first thing that happens is that dancing will enhance neuroplasticity. Dancing will make you more intelligent. Dancing will help improve muscle memory. Dancing will help slow down aging and boost memory. And dancing will help prevent dizziness. So dancing can be a very great way to improve and to maintain several of your brain functions. And dancing increases the neural connectivity because it integrates several brain functions at once, like kinesthetic, rational, musical, emotional. So when this neural connectivity increases, it's a great benefit to your brain as time goes by. So dance and dance more often. And this video is part of the series of videos for the 100 video challenge within SalesVision Business Games. So I invite you to click the link below and you can find out more about it, create an account, and start playing business games. And congratulations to all my teammates that are on the challenge, because we already accomplished a quarter of the challenge. Thank you for watching. Bye.